Ratio and proportion, practice set, question number 2. Pause this video, read the question and try attempting the question by yourself. Write the answer in the comment box. Also tell me what should we give level of difficulty to this particular question. Question said, from each of the two given numbers, there are two numbers, half of the smaller number is subtracted from both the numbers. Half of the smaller one is subtracted. Of the resulting numbers, the larger larger one is 3 times as large as the smaller one. When you compare both of them, the large one is equal to 3 times of the smaller one after getting the result. What is the ratio of two numbers? Now, it will be safe to assume variables here because it says the subtraction result is given, right? Subtraction result is given, and if you look at the first few sentences, we are not dealing with the ratio. It's only the last sentence where we need to find the ratio of two numbers. Okay, so I would say, let's say x is one number, y is another number. Let's say y is a smaller number. Okay, why? You should not feel bad. There is nothing wrong in being a smaller number. So let's say y is a smaller number. Now, as per the question, half of the smaller number is subtracted, okay, from each of the two given numbers. From each of the two given numbers, half of the smaller number is subtracted. So this subtract y by 2 and here we subtract y by 2. What is the result? Result here it will get you x minus y upon 2, and here you will get y minus y by 2 is how much? It's y? No, by 2. From full, if we subtract half, you get half. So this is the result. Now, as per the question, so the larger number is 3 times compared to smaller. Yeah, is means equal. You remember when we have discussed in the previous chapters, when we have discussed BODMAS rule and how to form the equation from words. That's where I have told you the helping word is nothing but equal sign when you write in the equation, when you use that in the equation. So the larger one is equal to 3 times, that means 3 multiply by smaller one. Yeah, so I hope you remember. If you are following all my video series, then I'm sure you must be clear with this. Okay, simplify further. What do you get here? X minus y by 2 equal to, this is 3 by 2y. 3 means what? 3 by 2 means what? 1.5. 3 by 2 means what? 1.5. Why am I asking you this question? Because if I take y by 2, half, the other side it will become plus, right? So 1.5 plus half is 2, right? 1.5 plus half is equal to 2. So x will be nothing but 2y. Yeah, don't waste much of time in writing all the steps. Now question is x upon y, the ratio of these two numbers, that should be 2 by 1. So answer is what? 2:1. Yeah, you know, we could have solved this by using the option also, but I'm little cautious when I look at the none of this. Then I generally don't pick up the options to eliminate, because we got one of this also, right? Okay, nevertheless, if you solve by option, you will also still get the same answer, and here also you are getting the same answer. Calculation is not much, and it was easy to do the calculation, little tricky to form the equation, right? So let me give this as level of difficulty 2. Level of difficulty 2. Now see, this level of difficulty may vary based on your understanding and my understanding and any other student understanding. But in general, if you look at the general set of the students, I think this should go to level of difficulty 2. Yes. So that's the answer. Let's see question number 3.